In a cozy modern home office, two tech-savvy sisters, Emma and Mia, delve into the intricacies of the software development lifecycle, SDLC, using a real-world example to illustrate its phases and importance. Emma, Mia, I've been learning about SDLC in my software engineering class. Can you explain what it is and why it's so important? Absolutely, Emma. SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. It's a structured framework that describes the stages involved in the development of software, from its conception to its retirement. The lifecycle ensures that software is developed systematically, meeting quality standards, user requirements, and business goals. So it's like a roadmap or a guideline for software development. Exactly. SDLC provides a clear pathway for developers, stakeholders, and project managers to follow. It helps in managing resources efficiently, reducing risks, and delivering software products on time and within budget. Why is it so important in software development? SDLC is important for several reasons. First and foremost, it ensures that the software meets the needs of its users. By involving stakeholders from the planning phase onward, SDLC helps in understanding and documenting requirements thoroughly. This reduces the chances of misunderstandings and ensures that the final product aligns with user expectations. So, it helps in building software that actually works for the people using it? Absolutely. Secondly, SDLC emphasizes quality assurance throughout the development process. Each phase, from planning to deployment and maintenance, includes mechanisms for testing and validation. This ensures that the software is reliable, secure, and free of defects before it reaches users. So it's like having quality checks at every step to make sure everything works perfectly. Precisely. Thirdly, SDLC promotes efficiency and productivity. By breaking down the development process into phases, such as planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance, it allows teams to focus on specific tasks at each stage. This reduces rework, minimizes project delays, and optimizes the allocation of resources like time and manpower. Emma, so it helps in managing projects more effectively? Exactly. Lastly, SDLC supports scalability and adaptability. As software evolves, whether due to technological advancements, changes in user needs, or business requirements, SDLC provides a framework for making updates and improvements. The maintenance phase ensures ongoing support and enhancement, allowing the software to remain relevant and effective over its life cycle. Wow, Mia! SDLC sounds really comprehensive and essential for developing software that's not only functional but also meets user expectations and adapts to changes over time. Absolutely, Emma. Now let's dive into the SDLC phases using our e-commerce website example to make it more tangible. Yes, please. I want to know how each phase works in detail. All right, let's start with the planning phase. Here we define the project's scope, objectives, and feasibility. For our e-commerce site, we would determine what products will sell, target audience, budget, timeline, and resources as needed. We would also conduct a feasibility study to see if our project is practical and worth pursuing. Emma, so it's like creating a business plan before starting a new venture? Exactly. Next is the analysis phase. This involves gathering detailed requirements from stakeholders and potential users. For our site, we might conduct surveys and interviews to understand customer needs, like easy navigation, search functionality, secure payment methods, and personalized recommendations. We also document these requirements in a software requirement specifications document. So it's like collecting detailed customer feedback to ensure we build something they really want? Absolutely. The next phase is design. We translate requirements into a blueprint for the system. This includes creating wireframes for the user interface, designing the database schema, and outlining the overall system architecture. For our e-commerce site, we design pages for product listings, shopping carts, user accounts, and checkouts. So each wireframe is like an architect's sketch of a building? Precisely. After design, we move to coding or implementation. Developers write the actual code to create the functionalities defined in the design phase. Using programming languages like JavaScript for the front end and Python for the back end, they build features like product catalogs, search functions, and payment gateways. Emma, so each line of code is like laying bricks or installing systems in a house? Exactly. Once the coding is complete, we enter the testing phase. This is crucial to ensure our website works correctly and is free of bugs. We perform various tests such as unit tests to check individual components, integration tests to ensure components work together, and user acceptance tests to confirm it meets user needs. For our e-commerce site, we test the checkout process, product search, and user account management. Emma, like inspecting each part of a house to make sure everything functions perfectly? Yes, after testing, we move to deployment. This is when we release the website to the public. We set up the live server, configure the database, and ensure everything is ready for users to access. It's like opening the doors of a new store, making sure everything is polished and functional. And then comes maintenance, right? Correct. Maintenance involves ongoing support and updates. We monitor the website for issues, apply security patches, and add new features based on user feedback. It's like maintaining a house, regularly checking for leaks, upgrading systems, and making improvements to keep it in top shape. Wow, Mia. Understanding each phase in detail really shows how SDLC ensures a systematic and effective approach to software development. Exactly. SDLC not only helps in creating high-quality software, but also ensures it remains relevant and effective over time, adapting to changing user needs and technological advancements. As Emma and Mia conclude their enlightening discussion, it's evident that SDLC is an essential framework for delivering successful software projects. Each phase, from planning to maintenance, plays a critical role in ensuring the final product is efficient, reliable, and meets user expectations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Hit the notification bell to stay updated, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you next time.